Welcome to Sonny's, the car wash factory. In conjunction with this training video, please reference each component's owner's manual, available at sonnysdirect.com, before performing any installation, repair, or maintenance procedure. Each manual details specific requirements and settings necessary for the safe operation and maintenance of your car wash equipment.
Welcome to Sonny's, the car wash factory. I'm Robert Andre with Car Wash College, and what we're going to talk to you today about is the Zelio Tire Shine PLC. We're going to get to the PLC in just a second. What we're looking at here is the Zelio PLC. It's made by Schneider Electric. This is what we use on our tire shine panel. What the PLC allows us to do is control with more accuracy how much tire shine chemical we're using. With the standard timer, you can only set for how many seconds per car you would like the timer to come on for. With the PLC, you can not only determine how many seconds it comes on for each vehicle, the chemical, but you can also control how many vehicles. You can say every 2 cars come on for 1 second, every 3 cars come on for 1 second, every 4 cars come on for half a second. It's got infinite adjustability to meet your car wash volume needs. When you look at the PLC under its normal state, the screen will be blank. You won't see anything on the screen. In order to make any programming adjustments to the PLC, you need to go to your tunnel controller. You'll have to find the relay for your tire shine, and you will have to place that relay into the override position. When you do that, the PLC will power up. Before we talk about the programming, I want to show you a cool feature with this PLC. This PLC has an override feature, so when you want to prime your tire shine in the morning, or if you want to test your nozzles to make sure that they're all working, this first button right here, when you press this, this will override and send power to the relay. You can actually hear the relay probably clicking right now. So you can use that to prime the tire shine by pushing that, and it will energize it. For the programming of the PLC, to program it, you're going to press the green menu button. When you press the green menu button, you'll see that it starts blinking on a screen where it says monitoring, parameter, run, stop, and version. For the programming, we're going to use the down arrow. We're going to arrow to the parameter. When we get to the parameter, we're going to press OK. On the first screen here, you'll see that up top we have CC1. CC1 is for how many times do we want it to count a car before it energizes. You can see down here the P value right now is set at 3. That means every 3rd car it will energize the solenoid. To adjust that, you simply use the down arrow, and then you're going to arrow left to right by using the left and right arrows. The value that's flashing right now says 2, T-O. You never want to change that. You always want to leave that as T-O. You're going to arrow over to the P value. The P value is where you are going to set for how many cars it counts. Right now it's set on 3. If I want to change that, I'll push the down arrow. I can go down to 2. I can go down to 1. I can go up. The other feature that this has is it also has a counter on it where it says V equals plus. Right now it's telling me it's counted 2 cars. Every time it gets to the P value, it'll reset and start counting up to that value again before it energizes the solenoid. Anytime you make a change, you hit OK. When you make the change, it's going to ask you to confirm the changes. If you want to save the changes, use the down arrow to take you to no if you don't want to save the changes. If you do, and the yes, and you hit OK. That will change the value for counting the cars. To change to the next value, you're going to use the arrow to the left, back up until you get to the where it's blinking on CC1. And then we're going to use the up arrow with the plus above it, and that will take us to the next value, which is TT1. TT1 is what's called the debounce. The debounce is a feature that does not need any adjustment. You want to leave that on the standard default setting of 2. And that does not need to be changed. We're going to go to the next value. The next value is going to be the TT2 value. You can see TT2, and TT2 is where we control how many seconds the pump stays on for. The default value is going to be set at 2. Right now ours is actually set at 5.2. So we're going to go down. You can arrow up and down, 5.3 seconds. You're going to change this to whatever you want. You can hold it down, it'll scroll fast, or you can click on it if you want to make slow movements as you get it down to the correct value that you're looking for. Once I get down to 1 second, I can actually get into fractions, so 0.9, 0.8, and that's how long the pump itself is going to stay energized and deliver chemical to the car. We'll go ahead and set this for about 2 seconds. Press OK. Confirm the changes. OK. And then we're going to arrow back over to our TT2 value. We're going to go back to the first screen. To do that, I'm going to now use the down button. And so we've got this on 4 energizes for 2 seconds. I'm going to hit the menu OK. I'm going to exit back out to the main screen. And if we cycle this through 4 cycles, you'll see that it'll turn on for 2 seconds. It was 1 cycle, 2 cycles, 3 cycles, 4 cycles. And again, that's infinitely adjustable to meet the needs of your particular car wash. And we can go back in and see, again, it's set at 4 cars, and it's currently counted 3 cars. So if I flash the power one more time, now it'll be on 4 cars, and the solenoid will energize. You can go back to the parameters, and you can see the value now for counting is set back to 0. And that is our Zelio PLC. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. For more information or to get the owner's manual, you can visit www.sonnysdirect.com. Good luck and good washing.
Thank you for watching this maintenance overview video. Please visit sonnysdirect.com and review the complete owner's manual before attempting any installation, maintenance, or repair of this component. There you'll learn necessary procedures, settings, and other considerations required for the safe operation of your car wash equipment.